Mathematics Unit 2 Physics Class 11. Question 1. To get a result displacement of 10 meter to displacement vectors of magnitudes 6 meters and 8 meters should be combinates. Answer 8 an angle of 45 degree. Question 2. The velocity of particles at instant is 10 meter per second and after 5 seconds the velocity is 20 meter per second. The velocity 3 seconds before in meter per second is answer 6. Question 3. Ball is thrown upward with a velocity of 100 meter per second. It will reach the ground after answer 20. Question 4. Two particles are fired from the same point with the same speed, projection 60 degree and 30 degree respective. Which one of the following is true? Answer. The range will be the same. Question 5. The ratio of numerical values of average velocity and average speed of a body is answer unity. Question 6. If the average velocity of a body become equal to the instantaneous velocity, the body is said to be moving with answer uniform velocity. Question 7. At the top of a trajectory of a projectile, the acceleration is answer gravity. Question 8. What angle does the range of the projectile become equal to the height of the projectile? Answer 45 degree. Question 9. The angle at which the dot product become equal to the cross product is answer 45 degree. Question 10. If the dot product of two non-zero vectors vanishes, the vectors will be answer perpendicular to each other. Question 11. A body moving with constant velocity has an acceleration of answer 0. Question 12. The slope of distance time graph represent answer velocity. Question 13. What does the area under a velocity time graph represent? Answer displacement. Question 14. If a car accelerates from rest, its initial velocity is answer 0 meter per second. Question 15. A body in free fall has 0 velocity at the answer highest point. Question 16. If velocity increase, acceleration is answer positive. Question 17. The total distance traveled divided by total time gives answer average speed. Question 18. A negative acceleration indicates answer deceleration. Question 19. What does uniform motion imply? Answer constant speed. Question 20. The product of mass and velocity gives answer momentum. Question 21. Which of the following represents a vector quantity? Answer 5 meter east. Question 22. What is the total length of the path covered by an object called? Answer distance. Question 23. What is the total distance divided by total time taken? Answer average speed. Question 24. What is velocity at a specific moment called? Answer instantaneous velocity. Question 25. What is the motion with constant acceleration called? Answer uniform accelerated motion. Question 26. What is the acceleration caused by earth gravity called? Answer acceleration due to gravity. Question 27. What does the equation represent? Answer first equation of motion. Question 28. What does the equation represent? Answer second second equation of motion. Question 29. Which graph show the relationships between velocity and time? Answer: velocity time graph. Question 30. Which graph shows the relationship between displacement and time? Answer: displacement time graph.